Hey everyone! Welcome back to Automation 5G Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra review. Get ready because this review is not just a specs rundown. We're about to explore what makes this phone stand out and whether it's truly worth your hard-earned cash, design and build quality. Let's kick things off with the design. The Samsung S25 Ultra takes premium to a whole new level. With its sleek armor, aluminum frame, and Gorilla Glass Victus 3, it's not just stunning, it feels incredibly durable. The edges are smoother, giving it a more comfortable grip, and Samsung has somehow managed to make this beast of a phone slightly lighter than its predecessor. What about color? Samsung has introduced some bold new options: midnight black titanium, gray emerald green, and even a striking copper red. Let me know in the comments which one you'd go for. Display. Moving to the display. Oh boy, Samsung never disappoints. The S25 Ultra boasts a 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a jaw-dropping 144Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. Translation: your content looks buttery smooth and outdoor visibility is top tier. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling through social media, it's a feast for the eyes performance. Now let's talk power under the hood. The S25 Ultra is rocking the new Exynos 2500 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 depending on your region. This is paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. Apps open instantly. Multitasking is a breeze and heavy games run without a hitch. I pushed this phone to its limit, running graphics, intensive games, editing 4K videos on the go, and switching between apps non-stop, and guess what? Not a single lag or stutter. Samsung's One UI 7 based on Android 15 feels more refined than ever. Camera system. All right, camera enthusiasts, this one's for you. The S25 Ultra comes with a quad camera setup headlined by a 200 megapixel primary sensor. Yes, you heard that right, 200 megapixels. You also get a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 10x optical zoom, periscope lens, and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens. Low light photography, incredible zoom capability, insane. The AI-powered enhancements bring out stunning details even in the most challenging conditions. And for selfie lovers, the 40 megapixel front camera ensures you capture every detail, perfect for content creators. Battery life. No worries here. The 5,500 mAh battery easily lasts a full day with heavy use. Plus, with 65W fast charging and 25W wireless charging, you can juice up your phone in no time. Samsung's also improved its battery optimization, so even power users will find it hard to drain this beast. Extra features. Oh, and let's not forget the S Pen makes a comeback, offering smoother responsiveness and new air gesture control. It's perfect for taking notes, sketching, or even remotely snapping photos. The phone is also IP68 rated, meaning it's dust and water resistant. Samsung's Knox security keeps your data safe, and there's an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor for that quick unlock. Price and final thoughts. Now the burning question is, the S25 Ultra worth it? Starting at $1,299, it's definitely a premium device, but you're getting the best of the best: an exceptional camera system, blazing fast performance, and a jaw-dropping display. So is it a game changer or just another incremental upgrade? I'd say if you're a power user, a content creator, or someone who loves having the latest and greatest tech in your pocket, the S25 Ultra is absolutely worth considering. But what do you think? Is this your next phone, or are you waiting for something even bigger?